Hey, what's up, guys? Chances are that if you're watching this video, you've been looking to either learn about Forex or you stumbled across the Forex for Beginners Facebook page or the YouTube page, and you're wondering if it's actually something that's viable to go into. And I can tell you that you will have absolutely no regrets. The page, the Forex for Beginners group is amazing, right? You have this wonderful teacher, Mr. Saad Ali, who provides long, detailed video lessons about everything. I'm talking everything, fundamentals, man, all the way to the more complicated stuff. We're talking EMAs, Fibonacci's, your pips, how to measure your stop losses, how to find entry positions, all of that good stuff. Literally from zero to you can now capably trade by yourself without any help, without any signals, without any of that jazz. And the beauty of it is that while you're learning, you learn with other students that are also on the same journey. So you guys get to like post up your charts and compare charts, and you get to see other people's charts and be like, and since everybody's kind of studying the same pair, you have an even more of an added advantage because you can see exactly what the other person is seeing. And if they missed anything, you can provide your input as well. But let me not overwhelm you with how good it is and all the stuff that you can expect to see when you get there. But basically, this has definitely been an eye opening experience for me personally because I didn't know anything about Forex. I'm talking nothing. I knew that it was hyphenated for foreign exchange, but as to how it worked, the market structure, all of the crazy lines that you see when you open up all of the posts where people are posting their profits, I didn't know anything about that. But now I know what a lot size is. I know what proper risk management is. I know when the proper times to get into the markets are. I know it's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of knowledge, and he has absolutely no business giving this stuff away for free, but he is, and I want you to jump on it and take advantage of it. So if you're not sure, watch it. It costs you absolutely nothing. Just watch it. And yeah, thanks again, guys.